Help it. Whenever someone says no means no, I have to sing that song. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna kill you. What the fuck?
Yeah, like if you hear a lot of people say no means no, and I'm like, no, but I really want to hit it, girl. And they'll be like, no, seriously, no means no. And I'll be like, I just want to get up in it, girl. No, you're gorgeous. Mother. You gotta stop that, man. You look like the head goes really funny. But that don't matter. You just gotta stop scaring me. And then, no, I just want to say one thing before this ends. Kelly, I think you're really sexy. And sometimes, when you wear that fucking sweater, the black one with the wood things going through the hole, I just want to do you. Sometimes even in the butt. And it's just hard for me to resist, you know? It's really hard. Okay, take the camera off me now.
Yeah, I have no tolerance for alcohol.
No.